Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming cybersecurity, but intelligence agencies warn it could soon become a powerful weapon for cybercriminals and hostile nations. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. The Five Eyes Intelligence Alliance, comprising the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand, has cautioned that AI systems capable of launching highly sophisticated cyber attacks may emerge within months rather than years. According to the alliance, advanced AI models could automate vulnerability discovery, accelerate malware development, and conduct large-scale attacks against government networks, critical infrastructure, and enterprise systems. The growing capabilities of AI are reducing the technical barriers traditionally associated with complex cyber operations. The warning comes amid increasing concerns about the security implications of frontier AI models. The recent restrictions imposed by the US government on certain advanced AI systems have intensified the debate around balancing innovation with national security. Experts believe governments and enterprises must strengthen cyber resilience, modernize security architectures, and invest in AI-driven defense capabilities to counter the emerging threats. As AI continues to evolve, the race between offensive and defensive cyber capabilities is accelerating, making proactive preparedness essential for protecting critical digital infrastructure. Let's look into today's headlines. Anthropic and Salesforce announce new Claude to Slack integration. Salesforce and Anthropic have announced Claude Tag, a new way to bring Anthropic's intelligence directly into Slack's agentic operating system. By simply typing @Claude in any channel, users can instantly loop in an extra set of AI hands to collaborate on workflows, requests, and ideation in real time. The two companies are emphasizing that Claude Tag is a new way for teams to work with Claude, essentially treating the AI as a team member similar to Slack bot. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath shares roadmap for a Viksit Uttar Pradesh through AI, investment and innovation. In a step towards connecting the vision of a Viksit Uttar Pradesh with the global technology and investment ecosystem, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath held an important meeting with Google Cloud Chief Technology Officer, that is CTO, Tarun Pant, and his team during his Bengaluru visit. The Chief Minister shared in detail the state government's vision for improving the lives of common citizens, increasing farmers' income, creating new opportunities for youth, strengthening the startup culture, and connecting micro, small, and medium enterprises, that is MSMEs, with new technologies. Fire at Delhi data center sparks data loss fears and causes Google Cloud disruption. A fire at a New Delhi data center used by global tech firms has left some customers fearing the loss of decades of data and caused network disruptions for Google Cloud Services in India. The blaze at the STT Global Data Centers India facility, owned by Singapore's ST Telemedia and India's Tata Communications, caused extensive damage to parts of the site, making data recovery difficult. Meta may launch prediction markets with Arena app. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg is reportedly working to build a prediction market mobile app. The executive is said to have assembled a small team to build a mobile app that may start as a game-like market prediction platform. The app may allow users to make predictions about events such as sports, elections, entertainment, or technology and earn points, rankings, badges, or rewards instead of winning or losing real money. However, the company may plan to introduce monetary betting in the future. After the post remains vacant for 2 years, the Centre constitutes committee for appointing BSNL chairman. The Department of Telecommunications has opened the search for a full-time chairman and managing director, that is CMD, of Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, nearly 2 years after the top post fell vacant. It is now inviting applications from both public and private sector executives. The move comes after multiple unsuccessful attempts to appoint a permanent chief for the state-run telecom operator. BSNL has been functioning without a full-time CMD since the tenure of P.K. Purwar ended on July 14th of 2024. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and follow VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.